We're not just the product of our genes, we're the product of our ingenuity, the survivors of 300,000 years spent outrunning death with nothing but plants, fire, and each other. Picture this: a simple cut, no stitches, no antibiotics, no hospital. In the modern world, that's a quick fix. For most of human history, it could kill you. So, how did we survive at all? When ancient humans got hurt, they didn't have painkillers or antiseptic, but they weren't helpless either. They packed wounds with honey, which we now know has natural antibacterial properties. They splinted broken bones with bark and vines. They used specific plants, some of which we still use today, to slow bleeding and fight infection. It wasn't guesswork, it was generations of trial, error, and memory passed down. Sickness was even scarier. There was no way to know what was actually wrong with you, only that you were getting worse. Communities relied on healers who had learned, through decades of observation, which herbs eased fever, which plants calmed the stomach, and when the only real medicine left was rest and isolation. Getting sick in a small tribe was dangerous, not just for you, but for everyone around you. Childbirth might have been the most dangerous moment of all. No pain relief, no emergency intervention, just other women in the tribe offering their hands and their experience. Mortality rates were brutally high, but so was the will to keep trying, keep having children, keep the tribe alive. And here's the twist: some of what they were doing actually worked. Willow bark contains the same compound found in modern aspirin. Certain molds they applied to wounds had antibacterial properties centuries before we understood what bacteria even were. They didn't have labs, they had experience, thousands of years of it, tested on real lives. We're not just products of our genes, we're products of our ingenuity, survivors of a brutal, brilliant history of care. But here's the hard question. As we hand our survival over to machines and pills, are we losing the instincts that kept us alive for 300,000 years? We're safer than ever, but more disconnected from our own endurance than ever too. Maybe medicine was never the real secret. Maybe it was our refusal to accept death as the final word. Next time you take an aspirin, remember, the willow tree did the work first. Ancestors did the testing. You're just the latest link in an unbroken chain. We survived because we cared for each other. That's the oldest medicine there is.